Hello TikTok family. We promised that we will do live session whenever we have a cool treatment. This is Nurse Kim.
Hi.
Our Kim. Hello everybody. Welcome. And we are going to do Carboxy treatment, okay? Carboxy for hair restoration.
Ready?
Here we go. Yes, we are always ready. So she puts this tiny needle under my scalp, and that infuses CO2 gas, which will increase blood flow, nitrogen oxide, and angiogenesis, which means more of new blood vessels under our scalp, under the scalp. Okay, so it helps the follicles. And you can see I don't use any numbing. It's super easy, and it's maintenance treatment. Usually we'll do it every couple of weeks or once a month, but definitely it's something that you need to repeat, and you need to do it by a specialist who knows how to infuse this gas under your skin so you get the best results. Okay, if you have any questions, ask us. Carboxy is from Italy. The machine is right behind her. That comes from Milan, and it's a very unique treatment. Only maybe 1 or 2 clinics do it in Orange County, maybe less than 5 in the whole state of California, as far as I know, and that's what, 60 million people. Okay, a lot of countries, they don't even know what this is. Also a lot of med spas, and that's it. So she just goes right under the skin, very superficial. Is kind of gassing the follicles with what? With CO2. Okay, and that's what happens. We gas the follicles right there. You really don't need to numb for this. It's just a tiny mosquito bite on your scalp, you know, like if you're doing, I don't know, PRF or those injectables. Usually we have to numb or add lidocaine, but these guys are very, very easy. So yeah, feel free to ask questions. Hello everybody, to those of you who just joined. We are in Newport Beach, Orange County, California. We do virtual consults. We do wellness, peptides, weight loss, you name it. We are the #1 clinic for laser sculpting, the Endolift, which is also from Italy. And Nurse Kim here, she does a lot of exotic treatments. This is of course one of them. We do the jet peel facial, which is from Russia. Where is that machine? Yeah. And that's the Morpheus RF. Morpheus 8 is from Israel, right? So again, this is hair restoration. It's very good to stop shedding of the hair. Extremely helpful for slowing down the shedding. And no downtime with this treatment, extremely safe. So all the good things about it, right? So Nurse Kim, do people bleed when you do this treatment?
No, very tiny on the spot, but no bleeding.
No bleeding, yeah. Usually I haven't really noticed much bleeding. There we go. Try to get a little closer so you guys can see. It's just the scalp creates there's a tiny bump under the scalp. So it's a very organic treatment, you know. It's kind of like chemical acupuncture, but also that needling helps the scalp to get stimulated for more blood flow, and also we apply that's optional, but I apply my hair exosome. We do have the best one, comes from Korea, and we apply that right after, because those needles will make the scalp more receptive for growth factors and exosomes and stem cells, whatever you guys use. We can do that after for you. It's a little extra, but totally worth it, because this scalp is receptive. Also will get you more boost for the follicles. Okay, and that's it. Questions, guys, go ahead and ask. We have a lot of people now just joined us. Welcome, Dr. K from PCH Med Spa, Nurse Kim, and Carboxy treatment. Carboxy is from Italy, one of our popular treatments here. Now, what else do you use Carboxy for?
You can use it for dark circle around the eyes. You can use it for stretch marks. If you have some stubborn fat, we can target to melt the fat with the gas. But the common one, it works amazing for hair, dark circle, and stretch marks.
Under eye darkness, dark circles, stretch marks. You can use it to sculpt fat, because the CO2, of course, you put it a little deeper, like let's say in the belly, and we apply much more gas than what we do for the scalp, right? Yeah, so it's a different technique, but yeah, how many sessions would you recommend?
For hair, we do recommend to start with 5 sessions.
Once a week.
Once a week, and then you can do your maintenance every 2 weeks or every month.
Okay, maintenance every 2 weeks or once a month, which is very doable for most people, but usually we do a bundled treatment first, 5 or 10 every week, to really boost your scalp. And then, yeah?
After 5 sessions, you do see a noticeable difference. I've noticed in my clients, after 3 sessions, your hair is visibly thicker, you don't shed anymore. But after 5 sessions, it's visible that everybody else tells you, oh, your hair looks better.
Beautiful, beautiful. How about for the under eye?
For under eye, it depends how dark your circle is. 3 sessions, back-to-back 3 to 5 is recommended, but then we do. But for under the eyes, you have to do it every week to start. But for the hair, if you don't have time to come in every week, we can do it every other week. It's still, you get good results. But for under the eyes, it's recommended to do the weekly treatment, 3 sessions, and you need to continue once a month after.
Once a month at least.
Yeah.
Hi, Nasreen and Bro channel. The procedure here is called Carboxy treatment. 5 sessions of Carboxy treatment, my dear. And let me tell you something that is amazing and is very new to our clinic and cutting edge. I just got here. What are you doing, Miss Virginia? This is Carboxy treatment. It is infusing CO2 gas under your skin. You know what you can do for either skin, and also you can do a Carboxy facial, right?
Yes.
Which is the whole face. It's pretty doable. That one, of course, a little more sensitive, so we numb with topical numbing for a few minutes.
Even for the face, you don't need numbing because it's only like 3 insertion points in the face. You don't insert in the whole face. Most of my clients don't even numb for that. It's very doable.
This is in California, guys. I need someone asking about the location. So, okay, so again, for the facial, you only poke in 3 spots?
Yes, we
show us where it is.
We do one around the eye, one here, and one here. Because it's gas, it just goes everywhere.
Are you
so
serious?
We don't inject
oh
the
shit.
whole face.
Wow. So maybe we can do a little bit of that so folks can see. That's great. And now she's done my eyes many times. We just did Easy Gel. And let me tell you something. So now she's going to do a little bit of the crown. See, that's the area that I have I've had issues with some thinning, and it's definitely improving, guys, right? Um, the what you can do in between when you go home, we do have this specific peptides that is good for hair and skin, and we have the serum, of course. We make the serum, we make the injectables, which is great, and that's 5 days a week doing a lot of insulin shot in your belly. So that's very good to do at home, and when you combine Carboxy with the peptide, good things can happen over time, right?
Yes.
Very good. So besides the Carboxy, besides the copper peptide, which we call it the glow peptide, right? We do have these other peptides that, let me tell you, we do have the ret, which is the new skinny shot. That's the most effective for weight loss, of course. That's once a week. And we do have all these other peptides, such as healing peptides, okay? The BPC 157, and we do have TP 500. So all of them needs to be under doctor supervision, and we create the protocol for you so you can do weekly shots, you can do microdosing, which is daily shot. With BPC and CJC, CJC 125, and also with GHK, which is the copper, right? All of them is better microdosing because they have short half-life. Okay? So it's better to do daily shots and then take your weekends off. Usually that works best. But yeah, ask us about all those peptides. They all come in serum. The skinny shot, the semaglutide, Ozempic, we also have it in pill form. So that comes with some metabolic boosters combined. Those are $250 for 2 months supply. So, you know, very affordable, guys, just like about $100 per month. So we do virtual consults, and once you clear, sometimes we ask for blood work, sometimes we don't, and we can also ship it to you. If you're not in California or you're either in Canada or overseas, sometimes we can ship you with direct supervision of us. It just depends. Case to case is different. So definitely contact us. Once again, for those of you joined, this is Dr. Nurse Kim, and this is Carboxy for the scalp. Once she's done, because we have so many people following us or watching right now, she's also going to do a bonus treatment for me and do a Carboxy facial. Now, I've never had it myself. I was under impression you have to poke all these areas. So, and she tells me no, we just need a couple of pokes. So let me do it. You guys watch and we'll see. Tell you how painful it is. I've done it for the eyes. That's pretty easy, but it's very cool for you to watch. You ready?
Yes.
Oh, great. So, and she's going to use the same needle, of course, because, of course, we change needles between patients. That's a joke.
No, I even use a new needle for you, so you have.
You
less
do?
pain, yes.
Oh, okay. So that's interesting because
Sharper.
it's sharper. Yes. So once you poke 20 to 50 times or so, I forgot the number. What I don't know what the number is. It's better to use a new needle. I forget that, but that for Carboxy is important. You need sharper needle, so it's less painful, guys. Okay. Tons of you following. Thank you. And you are all welcome. Now she's going to show you the Carboxy facial, so I'm going to probably just shut up and watch. Here we go. Carboxy facial, guys.
Take a deep breath. And that's it.
Very good. So just a couple of pokes on each side. And let's get the other side, guys. So just a prick of needle. You can see my face now is a little blown up right there. And that will go away very quickly. But it's just a nice way to stimulate the tissue. Whatever we can stimulate the tissue is good. Either it's laser under your skin, it's laser superficial, microneedling, RF channeling. Is this laser hair removal for face? No. This is totally different. This is Carboxy. Carboxy. Okay. Yes, so she can do the neck also. But you can see the difference now. This side of my face a little blown up. It will go down very quickly, right? And just couple of pokes. Very, very easy. All right, guys, let's watch this side now. You have better lighting so you can really see how this works. There we go. It's just a mosquito bite. Very, very easy. Of course, we can numb the face, but this is super easy. I really don't care, just a little poke. And she's using a fresh needle, so it's even less painful. And see, just 3 spots. That really covers the whole area?
Yeah.
And you're right, because all my face now is very good. You want to do the under eye also, they see?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. So here we go. Now it's very good for dark circles, something I've always suffered, and it's better, especially that we did the easy gel. So here we go. Carboxy under eye. Here we go.
Close your eyes. Take a deep breath.
Of course, a little more sensitive area, and it blows up. Da, 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 da. And you know what? I barely felt anything, so super easy. And that's it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna open this eye. See? Yeah, she puts a little ice on it right away. I hold the ice. Super easy, guys. Any question? This is your chance, because we're gonna finish very soon, guys. So this is your last chance to ask questions. PCH Med Spa, Corona Del Mar. It is our only location in California. We are also in Fountain Hills in Arizona. We don't have this one in Fountain Hills, but we have a lot of other treatments. Here we go. Totally zero pain. Totally zero pain, guys. Now I feel maybe 2 out of 10. And you can see the tissue is totally swollen. You did everything?
Yes.
Wow, look at you. Thank you so much, guys. This is what I look right after. Of course, I can open this eye.
It's 2 minutes and the whole swelling will go away.
Yeah. So it's totally worth it. It's easy to tolerate. And see, right away, I can open this one already. This one is swollen, so keep the pressure here for me. Awesome. So here we go. See, I can open it. It's not even 1 minute. It will go down. There's no downtime. Thank you so much, guys. Comment questions below. Bye-bye.